asking me about the Tesla earnings, and sorry it took me a little time, but I thought let me go and let you know what I think about the revenue. So far I'm more towards what I see here is Tesla revenue miss despite selling Bitcoin. That's the first headline. As you can see, gross profit margin down 6% compared to last quarter was 33%, now is 27%. So the profit went down 6%. More than 55% Tesla income not in US dollar. What does it mean? 6% currency conversion loss. As you can take a look at it, US dollar versus Chinese dollar is 6% down. Japanese yen, Chinese yen, and then the Japanese yen is 35% down year over year. So Chinese right now, as we all know, Chinese currency is in big time trouble. It's all manipulated, but looks like Chinese currency is in big time trouble. And I made a lot of videos about that. I think Chinese currency should be down around 30-35%, but it's only 6% down. Tesla makes a net profit of last year. So if you take a look at their balance sheet, last year they made 20% net profit they are making on their earnings, but currently, so based on the currency war, they are losing 6% as of selling 55% of their earnings is coming out, income coming out of the international currency. So they might need to take 6% hit on out of 20% profit. Tesla sells 75% Bitcoin, still EBITDA drops from 5 billion. So last quarter EBITDA was 5 billion to this time is 3.7 billion. So EBITDA is important, guys, okay, because there is an expenditure you need to minus that. That's what I looked at it. So EBITDA went down. Recession will impact the delivery numbers, as Elon Musk also mentioned about the recession will impact the delivery numbers. Could be, and I think it could be right, because the more the recession, people will have the less money power to buy. Inflation impact the profit margin as CPI printing still high worldwide. So as we all know, inflation is skyrocketing and everything is still holding hot CPI everywhere. That's why it could be the price will remain high. So very few people can buy the cars. Net income went down from quarter one 3.2 billion versus 2.2 billion. So there in net income, you remember the net income went down 3 last quarter versus this, they lost almost $1 billion right there despite Bitcoin sold. If the Bitcoin could not sold, Tesla would have been cash flow negative this quarter. They had no choice but to sell the Bitcoin. That's why they sold it, because to remain the cash flow positive. Tesla stock price was currently $750. Still you are paying 82 times at this price. Based on the EPS they are showing after selling the Bitcoin, 82 time value you paying currently for the future next 4 quarter as a forward P ratio. So that, what does it mean? 3 times more expensive than the Apple, Google and Microsoft. If you combine, if not the combine, but if you look at their all the balance sheet, Apple, Google, Microsoft, the company have these are the company who have an excellent balance sheet. If you take a look at it, excellent, but 10 times better balance sheet than the Tesla, and their profitability margin is way higher. Microsoft has a 40%, 50% profit margin. Google has a 42% profit margin. Apple has 40%, 35% profit margin, whereas Tesla has only 20% profit margin. And still Tesla is asking 82 time value. That means you are paying too much value on it. That's what I can take a look at. This is the what I see. I think the Tesla should be going down. That's my research. My analysis is up to you. That's why this is the best price you are getting to exit.